In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix registration problems with the Zangi app. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Zangi app. To do this, head over to the Google Play Store, search for Zangi, and check if there is an update available. If so, install the update and restart your phone afterward. Even if there are no updates, restarting your phone is still a good idea before proceeding. Once your phone is ready, open the Zangi app. The first step in the registration process is agreeing to the app's terms of use and privacy policy. You can tap the relevant links to read them if needed. After accepting the terms, tap on Register. The app will then ask for some permissions, such as enabling notifications, so just follow the prompts and allow the necessary permissions. Next, you'll need to enter your profile information, including your first and last name. After that, you'll be asked if you want to set a password. This is optional, you can either create one or choose to skip this step. After that, the app will display your private Zangi number. You can invite friends to connect with you or simply tap Continue to move forward. Lastly, make sure you have a stable internet connection throughout the process to avoid any issues connecting to Zangi's service. And that's it, you're now ready to start using the Zangi app without registration problems. Thank you for watching this video.